Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine Muli, and in today's video I am basically going to show you guys how to make a hair puff for yourself. I'm talking to the ladies out here. So one thing is, for me, this is my natural hair. As you can see, this is my natural hair, and it already has the puffiness in it. So I'm just out here to show you how to make a hair puff for yourself without going out there to buy clip-ins or hair extensions, or I don't know what else people buy. I have always wanted to have a hair puff because I don't really like straightening my hair. I don't really love the heat that my hair goes through most of the time. Every time that I wash my hair, it normally shrinks very much. You won't even think that I have any hair in my head. So I have made a hair puff for myself simply because I need to wash my hair every week, and for me to do that, it will mean that I straighten it every other time. And the last thing I want to do is apply heat on my hair, you know, blow drying, flat ironing. No, I don't want to do that every week because I will be stressing my hair, I will be weakening it, and the only way out of that was to consider making a hair puff or hair extension for myself. You see the length of my hair? Yeah, so if your hair reaches somewhere here or here, you have high chances of achieving this exact look with a hair puff. And the only thing you'll need is a natural hair braid. The good thing about creating your own hair extension or clip-in is that you can make it to be precisely the length that you want and the size, you know, the fluffiness or the thinness, depending on whatever you think you need. You can make it exactly as you want. The only reason I have made these hair puffs is because I will be doing flat twists, and since I want to achieve a big size of like flat twist, it will take up a lot of my hair. That is why I need extra hair to put in my hair. So I used this normal thread that I have. I could have preferred a black thread, but I don't have any black thread. Hizi ni zile zangu za kushona, so I decided to use this one. And then for the braid, I used this kinky hair. It's just the normal kinky hair that you know, this one. You will need just a pair of scissors and a seat. I'd prefer if you have a seat that has such holes, or maybe a stool. You can also use a stool, that you know that when you attach the thread all round, you create spaces so that you can be able to do the attaching and all. Before I show you the video, I will show you the end result. Yes, so this is the end result. I made hair that look exactly like my normal hair. I made a couple of them. As you can see, this hair looks like my normal hair. I didn't use a whole pack to make this hair. I only used like, I think five pieces of the braid. It looks really natural, and you can't really guess that it's not real hair. This would work for me. This would work for me. Here at the front, this is how it looks, and this is the back side that I tried to tie the knots. The process is actually just taking a piece of braid and tying the knot on the thread. That's it. That's simply it. Let me just first show you the process of how it's done, and then at the end you'll see the end result of what I exactly wanted to achieve with this thing. Guys, this is the ultimate look that I wanted to achieve with the hair extension or clipping, and yes, I feel like it looks really nice. So this is this is the hair, and I will turn so that you see how my hair looks. I haven't really seen the back side of it, but I hope that it looks pretty well. So thanks again for watching my channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Lots of love.
Something to hold on to, gotta